In this particular video, I am going to talk to you about Shri Kuber Puja Vidhi. Lord Kuber, who is considered treasurer of the riches of the world, is worshipped along with Shri Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth. Traditionally, Shri Kuber is worshipped during the Lakshmi Puja on the Amavasya day. However, Shri Kuber is also worshipped on Dhan Trayodashi during 5 days of Diwali festivities. If you have murti or statue of Shri Kuber, then it can be used for puja. If you do not have Kuber murti, then as an alternate you can consider chest means the tijori of your house, means the locker or the place where you keep your jewelry and money, representing Shri Kuber itself and worshipping it. Before you start worshipping the locker, you should draw the sign of swastik with sindoor and tie moli to it. Moli is a kind of thread, kalava, which is tied. So first step of starting Kuber puja is dhyan. First of all, one should meditate and remember Shri Kuber with the following mantra that I am going to tell you now is मनोज ब्रह्म विमान स्थितम गरुड़ रत्न निभम निधि नायकम शिव सुखम मुकुटादि विभीषुतिम वर गदे ददतम भजे तुंदिलम. So this is the Kuber mantra, and this translates in the English is as I pray magnanimous Shri Kuber, who mounts on human form chariot, who is master of all nidhis. Nidhis is a Hindi word, it means treasuries. Like great Garud, who is friend of Lord Shiva, who is adorned with crown and other jewelries, and who has one hand in Var Mudra and carry Gada in the other hand. So this is the translation of the mantra that I just told you, and that was the first step, Dhyan. Now this is the second step, that is Avahan. After Dhyanam of Shri Kuber, invoke him with the following mantra. While calling Shri Kuber, your hand should be in Avahan Mudra in front of the chest. Avahan Mudra is formed by joining both palms and folding both thumbs inwards. So the mantra that I am going to tell you is about Avahan. This mantra is Avahayami Dev Tvamihayahi Krupam Kuru Kosham Vidarya Nityam Tvam Pariraksha Sureshwar Shri Kuber Devam Avahayami. So this is Shri Kuber Dev Avaham, and this mantra translates into O Dev, Devo ke Dev Sureshwar, I am inviting you. Please come and dwell here to oblige me. Please protect and enrich my treasure and its riches. Hence I invoke you, Shri Kuber. So this was the second step, that was Avahan. Third is Pushpanjali Asan. Once Shri Kuber has come to the chest, take 5 flowers in Anjali. Anjali means by joining palm of both hands, and leave these flowers and them in front of the chest to offer the seed to Shri Kuber while chanting the following mantra. So this mantra that I am going to tell you now is to be used in the third step, which is Pushpanjali Asan. The mantra is Nana Ratna Samayuktam Karta Swar Vibhushitam Asanam Dev Devesh Prityartham Prati Gruhatam Shri Kuber Devai Asanarthe Pascha Pushpani Samarpayami. So this was the third step. This mantra translates into, it means that, O Lord of Dev, please accept the golden seed decorated with different types of jewels for my pleasure. Hence I offer 5 flowers for the seed of Shri Kuber. That was the third step. Now the fourth step is Nav Upchar Pujan. After this, perform Shri Kuber Puja with Chandan, Akshat, Pushp, Dhoop, Deep and Naivedya while chanting the following mantras. Now these mantras that I am going to tell you now will be used in the fourth step, that is Nav Upchar Pujan. So the mantras are Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Padayoha Padyam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Shirasi Adyam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Gandhakstam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Pushpam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Dhupam Grapayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Deepam Darshayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Naivedyam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Acham Niyam Samarpayami. Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Tambulam Samarpayami. So this was the fourth step. You have to chant these mantras. Then fifth step is Puja Samarpan. After doing pujan as described above, take Gandh, Akshat and Pushp in left hand and leave them over or near the chest with right hand while chanting the following mantra. This fifth step has the mantra Om Shri Kuberai Namaha Anen Pujanen Shri Dhanadhyaksh Shri Kuber Priyatam Namo Namaha. This translates into that I convey my regards to Sri Kuber. I hope Sri Kuber would be pleased with my worship. I salute him again and again. Now, this ends the Sri Kuber Puja. You can do this puja in, you can take the benefit of this ritual, and you can do this during Diwali, because Diwali is the special occasion when Kuber Puja is to be done. So do this puja and tell me what benefits you are observing in this puja, and if you find my video knowledgeable, then please hit the like button. And I pray to Goddess Lakshmi and God Kuber to give you extreme success, health, wealth, prosperity, and whatever you desire in life. Happy Diwali, guys.